friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox a low budget projector, and this is basically for those users who are looking for a very low budget projector with a good quality. So we are going to unbox EG6X. So let's see what is the content on this box, and I will tell you what all the features which we have. So let's see. We are going to unbox this projector. You may see this is a very decent box, but not very good quality box. But however, this is the box, this is not a projector, so we should not be more worried about the box. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it, and let's see what all the content we have in this projector. So let's see what all content we have on this box. Packing looks good. So first of all, we have a remote. Build quality is average for this remote. Let's see. We have a power cable. There is a AV cable. There is a HDMI cable. Cable looks good. The HDMI cable looks good, and moreover, the cable play a vital role in the video's quality. If you are using a poor cable, then you may not see the appropriate quality. And now finally see what all features and ports which we have on this projector. There is a no lens cover. The model name is EG6. Okay, and there are lots all power button on front, and the keystones and the focus button both are on top, and there is an infrared receiver on the front which is used for the remote purpose, and there is a adjustment knob at the bottom, and the model number is EG6X, and the origin is China. So this is a made in China projector, not made in India projector. So don't be confused. And basically this projector comes with the two different models. So now we are going to unbox. We are going to review the projector which does not have the Android version. This is simple projector with a Miracast, Wi-Fi, and now you can see here there is a power port. So 2-pin power port is here, and there is a VGA cable, VGA port, and there are 2 HDMI port, which is good, and one USB port, one AV port which is used for audio video output, and there is a headphone port which you can use to connect your external speakers, and there is a one inbuilt speakers, and I will tell you later what kind of quality which we have with this particular speaker. And if we go to the product description, it is telling like the projector have a copper heatsink, but it doesn't have the copper heatsink, it have the aluminum heatsink. So let's see what all features and what all things here in this projector. Let me tell you very clearly, this projector have 2700 luminous. Luminous is used for the brightness. So you will expect a good quality of brightness with this particular projector. And the most important part in this projector is below 10,000. So if you are looking for the budget projector, then you may go for this particular projector, and later on I will tell you what kind of a picture quality this projector have. So let's see, let me connect this projector and let me show you what kind of a picture quality it have. So now I have connected this projector, and you can see in just 9.5 feet difference between the wall and the projector, and we are getting approx 100-inch display. That is a good. So it looked like a short distance projector. That is a good part. So even in a 9 feet you are getting a 100+ inch screen. That is a very good part. And as I said, there are multiple connectivity here. So you can plug a USB to play the media, and there are inbuilt two applications. One is a Kala and the second is a YouTube. So YouTube is a very good features which we have in this projector. And if you go some other projector with the same range, same price, you won't get the YouTube inbuilt feature along with the Wi-Fi. So you need not to connect any other device. If you want to play some movie or video, you can directly play from the YouTube. So that is a good part. And on top of it, it have the Miracast, iOS cast. So you can connect your mobile phone, either it's a Google based phone or it iPhone. So on both phone you have option to connect. Thanks for watching the unboxing part. I know this is a very less about this projector, but keep tuned with my channel, and if you want I can upload a new video with the full description and full technical and operational details. That would be helpful for you. So thank you so much again. Keep watching. Stay safe. Bye.